Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from mgmclassiccars.com here in Addison, Illinois. And today I have this wicked 1984 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. This is the real deal, guys. It's all show and it's all go, all at the same time. Let me explain a little bit about this car. This particular blown Camaro, okay, has 48,900 original miles on the body. Yes, it's a show winner. It's fully restored. As you can see, the Vision wheels, big tires, all brand new stuff. It has a GM 4-bolt main, 355 motor, with a lot of goodies, guys. It's a 30 over. It's got a steel crank, forged rods, Quora cam with 480 lift, 284 duration, RHS heads, crane roller rockers. As you can see, the 671 dyer blower. It's underdriven 6%, 650 quick fuel carbs with forced induction. MSD ignition with the 400 turbo trans, 373 gear ratio. Everything works on this badass freaking Camaro. Everything works. 605 horse dynoed. Underneath the car has been the whole car's been sandblasted and fully put back together with this gorgeous freaking paint, man. I can't wait to go for a test drive. Yes, it's got T-tops, beautiful exterior, mint body and paint, 4-wheel disc. Look at this mint interior, man. All the door jambs have, look at the cage. I mean, underneath. Stereo system added. Excellent dash, guys. Speakers on the dash. Car cover in the back, T-tops, hidden cage, many awards, featured at the Good Guys show, tons of paperwork. Oh my Lord. Lordy. Air conditioning, aluminum radiator, all the goodies, guys. I want to swear, but I can't. Freaking car is crazy. Who's ready? feel really good on the car too. Just gotta do a U-turn here. Stay in the neighborhood. I mean, you just have to hit the throttle. It's like, how do you not do it? Jesus. Man, heading back to the shop here, guys. MGMClassicCars.com, it's where it's at. Check out the blower 84 Camaro, fully restored, under 49,000 miles. Rotisserie, ready for car shows, in car show condition. Award-winning car. Guys, gals, don't lose out on this one. It's one in a lifetime opportunity. I'm just going to do a walk around one more time around the car. If you need financing for this beautiful machine, guys, check out my description. It will explain to you everything about the financing. If you want to take advantage of our driveway delivery, we can do so as well. My phone number is 847-848-1850. Text me your zip code, I'll get you a quote. This has to go in a closed carrier, guys. This thing is wicked, 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 beautiful paint job. Ready for car shows. I can't stress enough. Once in a lifetime opportunity. Take advantage. Be the first to get it. You got my number. Thanks for watching MGMClassicCars.com.